Electrical wiring connection. For outdoor unit electrical wiring, unscrew the two screws located at the terminal area and remove the metal plate. Loosen the clamper screw at one side and unscrew the other side screw. For easier wiring process, turn the clamper 90 degrees down. Now, connect the wires to the three terminals shown. The earth wire has to be connected at all costs to avoid any electrical shock due to leakage current. Please note that all the wires should be connected to its respective terminal as per Indo unit. Ensure the wire's connectivity point and clamp the wires with the clamper. Complete the wiring procedures by putting back the metal plate to the terminal area and fix with screws.